Yogi Clan, good afternoon. So yes, the title of my video, as far as I know, is probably pretty close to true. I do think that North Carolina has run out, or if it's not run out, at least the Charlotte area, it's pretty darn close. And why do I think that? I think we've run out of gas because at 10 o'clock last night, when I went to go pick up my daughter Stella from work, who you've seen on this channel before. Yes, the young lady has a job. I'm so very proud of her. But as I was driving to her place of employment to pick her up, you should have seen the lines at the gas station. It was ridiculous. At 10 o'clock at night, everyone is filling up. Why? Why is this happening? Well, from what I understand, and I forget the name of the pipeline, and I'm sure somebody in the comments will say it, but somebody hacked the pipeline company and shut down the flow of oil in the pipeline. I guess from what I understand, what's that hacker, ransom something or another? Ransomware, ransom something or another. So they have shut down the pipeline, shut down the flow, and I guess it's affecting more than, I haven't really done a whole lot of research. Whoa, snap. Mr. Barefoot Oil, hey, you got oil. Come back to my house. But, from what I understand, somebody hacked the oil line, which has shut down the flow of oil, which means that nobody's delivering, they're not making it into the gas, and they're not delivering it to the gas stations. So the gas stations are not resupplying. So the news has gone out and put a release out there. Oh, the pipeline is shut down. You better go fill up now while you still can, which has caused panic. And people are, again, panic buying gas. I remember when this happened. It's probably been about 10 years ago. I don't remember exactly what it was or what the circumstance was. I can't recall. But I remember there being a run on gas once before. And I remember at that point in time, we had a Suburban. And that Suburban had a 28-gallon gas tank. And everyone was making a run for the gas, a run for the pump. And I remember at that point in time, we were like slap empty. And the only gas that was available was the high grade, the super unleaded. And I remember thinking, gosh, we got to fill up this Suburban. It has a 28-gallon tank. 28 gallons. It was like $4.40 a gallon for that gas, and I had no choice. I think we were coming home from church, and it was like, whoa, we either camp here for the night, or we get some of this really expensive gas and put it in our car and go home. Which we did, and it cut us off at, I think, $75. The pump cut off automatically. Which, if you do the math on that, $75 at $4.40 a gallon, let's just call it 80 bucks, make it easy, and $4 a gallon, that's 20 gallons. So, I got a little bit less, so it was probably about, 16, 17 gallons, which for $75 gave me a half a tank of gas, basically, in that Suburban. I was thinking, oh my gosh, I just got a half a tank of gas for $75. What is going on in the world? Well, here we are again. Don't have that Suburban anymore. And here I am out burning gas. At least I got 3/4 of a tank though on the bike here. They say this is only going to last for 4 or 5 days, but my wife in 2 days is supposed to do a girlfriend's trip down to the beach. What if there's no gas yet? I guess that cancels that trip, right? Because you won't be able to go down there if there's no gas to buy to get there. But the good news, there is good news in all of this. I may not have gas. I may not be able to go anywhere after I run out of gas in this motorcycle. I only have a 1/4 tank in my truck. So yeah, maybe I should go fill it up today. Maybe I should make a point of doing that if there is any gas left. Because I have a feeling by the time I get there, I got another conference call in about a half hour from now. After that conference call, there probably won't be any gas left. And I will wind up wasting what I have driving around trying to find something that there may not be any anymore. So I guess I'll just work from home the next few days if that's the case. Fortunately, I have the ability to do that. But the good news is I have toilet paper. So I may not have gas in my truck, and heck, You know, it may not have gas to be able to go get more toilet paper once we run out, but I know we got a good 6 rolls in the house. If I got 6 rolls and I got 6 butts to wipe, that's about a roll a person. So we should be good for at least 3 days, 4 days maybe on toilet paper. So Lord willing, the gas will come back before the toilet paper goes out. I'm sorry, I kind of have to laugh at this because I am so disappointed in the American public lately. You know, how they want to, so selfish to make a run on everything. Oh no, the pipeline stopped, we better go fill up now. What, so you can have an extra 4 or 5 days to survive? You know, and then you're going to run out of gas, then what are you going to do? They're going to be just like the rest of us. But if you didn't make a run on gas, then there would be enough for those who maybe need it at the time. Same thing with the darn toilet paper. Oh my gosh, pandemic's coming, let's get toilet paper. The fear in people's hearts and the hoarding, selfish attitude is just really just kind of, I don't know, takes my faith in humanity down a couple notches. I hate to say it, but it does. So, you know, I'm not making a run on gas, whatever. If it sells out, it sells out. I work from home. I get to have some family time. I don't care. No big deal. It's not gonna make me or break me. You know, I certainly hope, though, that we don't run out. And if we do, I hope it doesn't last long because, you know, fortunately, I have a job where I can, in an emergency, if need be, work from home. But, you know, a lot of the employees at the company I work for do not have that luxury. They need to be working. They need to be on the job site. And if they're not on the job site working, they're not making money to feed their families. So, Yogi Clan, I say that to say this. If you don't have to go anywhere, don't. Save your gas. Don't hoard the gas. Let the people who need the gas get the gas. But if we all hoard it and it all disappears, then nobody's got anything. Then everybody's screwed. So don't be stupid. Do your part. Maybe we'll drive by a gas station quick just to see what it looks like. Let's see if they have any. Let's waste some more gas and go out of our way to see a gas station. Shall we? Hey, it's not wasting gas when you're on a motorcycle. It's called therapy. Therapy. I'm getting therapy right now. Let's see. Let's do the math. 60 miles. You're doing, let's just call it, make it easy. 60 miles an hour. I get 40 miles per gallon, so that's a gallon and a half. Prices have spiked. They're probably close to $3 now. So that'd be $4.50 for a gallon and a half. Now, I did do the math once and I figured out tire mileage wear is about 7 cents per mile. At 60 miles, that's another $4.20 plus my $4.50. So an hour of riding will cost me $10. An hour of therapy will cost me $125. Much cheaper to get therapy on the motorcycle. Just saying. Alright, this gas station up here on the left was the one that the cars were out on the road, lined up out on the road last night, waiting for fuel. And they have bags over the pumps. They are out. No more gas there, okay? So, note to self, don't go there for gas. Okay, so there's a QT gas station over there and a BP gas station over there. I can't see the QT. I can see the canopy, but I can't see if there are any cars. But if the BP is out, then I bet you the QT is out, because QT is more popular than the BP. Oh, the cars are lined up on the street. Look at that. lined up on the street. Oh my gosh. Lined up on the road to get gas. Holy crap. Ridiculous. Lane splitting. Here we go. Lined up. Ridiculous. Well, doesn't look like I'm going to be getting gas today because I'm not going to sit there and idle away 4 gallons waiting to get gas. No, not going to do it. Guess I work from home the next few days till this crisis is over. So, gas is just about gone here. I don't know what your neck of the woods is, but alright, Yogi Clan, I hope you have gas in your area. We'll see what this does to the economy. There's a rumor I heard is like the whole eastern seaboard is like experiencing this. And I also heard something, I don't know if it's true, but something about Biden shut down some kind of pipeline coming down from Canada or something like that. I don't know. All just rumors I heard, not verified, not checked. So y'all stay safe wherever you live. Stay home. I appreciate y'all for joining. Thank you for stopping by and checking out this channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out some of my other videos. Give a brother some love. Hit that like button. Mash that subscribe button. And I'll catch you on the next one. Peace. And I bet all y'all with electric cars and electric Harleys are just sitting back laughing right now, aren't you? Well, guess what? We're laughing at you because you paid $30,000 for an electric motorcycle. But hey, at least now you can get from point A to point B. Unless, of course, the power station was powered by somehow diesel fuel or oils, in which case we won't have any power after that. And you won't be able to charge your car or your motorcycle. Yeah, that'll be the next thing that ransom targets is the power grid. Oh, that'll go over well. And if we lose power, there's no more Wi-Fi or ways to recharge my phone and no more YouTube videos for you.